Hi, my name is P.R. Udekar. Today my topic is my Pavan sir. My Pavan sir is a great, true legendary, and I first saw him on my first day on my duty. I saw it to him. He was a great, leading, living legend. Tell me, I'll go into tell with a discretion. So I am also so glad to work with him. He also developed this passion in me towards work. He always supports me in any situation also. Right time, I was not doing anything when I get a call from my sir head that for a month you're going to be terminated. Then I was started like a small baby. He came. I know. Definitely in one time you will be faced with the problem like this only. So I was telling from this beginning, learn what they. Learning is a good art. Learning from your knowledge, it won't be takeable from anything. But you are not responsible anything. Just coming and going. No, who are facing my problem? You are only facing the problem. So I am telling for 5 years, learn the computer. But you are not doing anything. Let compare to others. Each and everybody they are doing some work. But why are not able you to do? I don't know. I'm not cannot understand in my mind that I'm telling. When I given a work, but you are not showing any enthusiasm, any energetic. What's wrong with you? You're having ideas, you're having lack of passion, not all you can do, but you won't do. Just coming in office and going another, chatting with others. No. Did they give you money for you? Did they give support for you? No one is not came from you. You are the law. You are the hero. You are the failure. No, you become a failure. I'm starting my telling. Don't take the primary seriousness. Don't sit like idle. I saw you for 2 days. You are sitting like this only for idling. I'm telling. I thought you will become, sir. I want to do like this. I want to handle like this. But in 5 years, but you never asked me. So split on you. But I'm getting very jealousy on you. Each and everybody are doing or got permits, but you have not done anything. It's lack of you. It's lack of boosting. Come, I'm tell you. I'm not doing, unable to control the computer. I'm not doing database, variable, shipping bills also. But I was asking each and everybody. I was maintaining a book, but you are not maintaining anything. Just coming and going and coming and going. No, who are facing a problem? You won't be facing a problem. I and Sasis have told you. Learn something. In a day, you can learn everything a bit, but you will not do. Number, how much my salary, at that time 1500, but now you're getting 18,000. How you should be? How you should be? You should be like a gum, like a jum, but you are not doing like this. What for you? What for you? That's why you are sitting like this. Each and everybody is focused on you. I'm telling you, but you are not listening my words. Today you lost your job. Losing a job means it's a failure. It's a failure. But I will always help with you. You are taking your dig you only. Number two, when my childhood also I was so aggressive like that only. Let me tell you, one supervisor is there for me. In that time, I was working at building constructions at that time. He gave me a chance to prove it myself. I proved it. But he was told something on my boss. I suddenly, on the next day, I was resigned. Simply the reason is key. I was forgotten. He was also told me no, but later he came to my home and started. You done a great job. Please come to my home. That's you have to spirit, ma. But I'm not having with you. You are just coming and going. Number three, if you are given any work, you should check. And if you're not getting, go for others. In the meanwhile, every computer is empty. You can go and tell. I think not each everybody don't tell you. They will tell you, but you are not interested. You are interested. In, go and phone call your friends and chit chatting with others. Roaming here and there. Will give you any rupee for you? No. In my time also, one boss came and told you, don't waste your time idly. Come and do something. You do a miracle in your job. What the boss give you, you should do in a systematically. I don't know anything, but here and my sir gave me perfect direction, perfect passion, how to handle my situation. In starting days I was telling you, but tell me what you know with Griply. You don't know anything. But one thing you know, a human being must have interest, then he can do miracles. But you are not having anything. Later, each and everybody they don't know 10th class, but they're doing the computer work. You are having BTech in engineering, but you are not doing. Simply, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. But the company is giving you, fetching you. But your ideally is coming. My sir is daily telling this, but I was not doing like this. He came from hard worker. He was having lots of property, but he wants to improve himself. He went for Germany. Starting he was done a senior executive. Now he became a deputy manager. He was tell each and everything experience is left to me. Don't do like this. So when I lost my job now, he was called ring and told one vacancy is there. So you can do it. But I don't know any work on my computer. See, your problem with you. See, if you get to the computer, I can tell you. So one day I was sitting idly, came and telling you, how much time I tell with you. Each and everybody they are doing your job, but you simply wasting time. You know, Milmed, you can read SOPs like this, no, but you won't do. I was serious crying. Crying is not solution. You are a failure person. If you want to be a motivated person, start do it now. No time is there. Don't waste your time. Simple like this. Be focusing on what I'm telling you. I'm not a English medium. I can tell you, but I'm a pure Telugu medium. But how I became I have done a hard work. Management give me some work. I have to doing like this. Even though I am in work, I'm calling a person like this. Do like this, not to do like this. But you are not doing. Even though you are at home, you can call to me, sir. What is going on? So what to do? What I must do? But you will never do like this. Just coming and going. Even when you are leaving also, sir, what I have to do? What I must do? But I'm not blaming you. These are basic fundamentals. Why? Because I'm poking you. In other company, there is not like this. I am be with you. But another sir come here, he will going to definitely torture you. So be careful, ma. This is particular I'm telling you. No, I'm in that my old age issues. No, I got 1500 like this. But I never ashamed I'm getting 1500. You are getting 18,000. So you should have to do 1 minute for every second, for every minute you have to do for a company job. Otherwise, in a day you will go and be terminated. Thanking you. Yes, plus thanks to K.V. Krishnaraj sir, Appar sir, Satyavati, Bon Pini, Laichali, Shirshachali, Ramanichali, Swami Pijad, Boiler Raju, Gautam Director, Rashekar, Dr. Nagamoshan, my teacher, Arifa Muhammad Sultana, Santoshi Akka, Ramu Events. A tribute to my Pavan sir. This is a true legend, and he also tell me to do like this, not do like this. So I once again thankful to sir. I'm glad to work with you, but I am unable to do with you like this. So I want to become a professional, a successful person when I want to see with you.